Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious fruit dip with cream cheese and marshmallow fluff. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 8-ounce block of cream cheese, 1 7-ounce jar of marshmallow fluff, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Having your cream cheese soften to room temperature is key for a smooth, lump-free dip. This easy guide will have you enjoying a sweet treat in just a few minutes. Now, let's create the creamy base for our dip. Take your 8-ounce block of softened cream cheese and place it into a large mixing bowl. Using an electric mixer, beat the cream cheese on medium speed for about 1 minute until it's wonderfully light and fluffy. Next, carefully add the entire 7-ounce jar of marshmallow fluff to the bowl. Continue mixing on low speed, then increase to medium until everything is perfectly smooth and well incorporated. To enhance our dip's flavor, it's time to add the vanilla extract. Pour 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract into your cream cheese and marshmallow fluff mixture. Gently fold it in with a spatula or mix on low speed for about 30 seconds until it's fully combined. This step adds a lovely aromatic depth. Once mixed, cover your bowl tightly with plastic wrap and refrigerate the dip for at least 30 minutes. Chilling allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Your delicious fruit dip is now ready to be enjoyed. This versatile dip pairs wonderfully with an array of fresh fruits. Think about serving it with crisp apple slices, juicy strawberries, sweet grapes, or refreshing melon chunks. You can also offer it with graham crackers or vanilla wafers for an extra treat. Transfer the dip to a pretty serving bowl and arrange your chosen fruits around it for an inviting presentation. Enjoy this simple, sweet creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.